Hey, welcome. This is my room. Come on in. I am making a Vietnamese seafood soup. It's called soup cua, mean crab soup. It will consist of crab, shrimp, and scallops. I cook every day, especially dinner. I enjoy cooking a lot. It brings me joy. And I always add in more of Asian ingredients because it feels like home. I learned to cook back home. My mom and my grandma taught me how to cook. And before I went to America, they told me that I need to know how to cook, so they teach me. And I am grateful for that. I'm grateful. It's crab, scallops, and shrimp. Very, very good. We use for everything. For cooking, for eating, for mixing. It does all the work for you. So this is egg, and what I'm doing is called the egg drop technique. So I just spin the soup and slowly pour down the egg. Yep, looks like home now. Cornstarch is a magic thing to make your soup thicker. One important thing is like do it slowly. If you do it too much, your soup will be as thick as a jelly block. Food, it tells you a story of their culture and how good it is, you know. And it's always different and a bit of a culture shock to taste new food from other countries. Thank you guys for watching. I'm happy to share my culture and see you next time.